Sweet potatoes are more than just a comfort food. They're a nutritional powerhouse that has been cherished for centuries across the globe. Known for their vibrant orange flesh and naturally sweet flavor, these root vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that can significantly improve your overall health. Whether baked, roasted, mashed, or turned into fries, sweet potatoes aren't just delicious, they're downright transformative for your body. The bright color of sweet potatoes is a sign of their rich beta-carotene content, a powerful antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body, supporting vision, immunity, and skin health. But that's just the beginning. Sweet potatoes also provide potassium, vitamin C, B vitamins, and complex carbohydrates that fuel your body steadily. Let's explore the top 10 amazing health benefits of sweet potatoes and discover why they deserve a regular place on your plate. Number 1. Boosts immunity. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamin A, an essential nutrient for a strong immune system. Vitamin A supports white blood cell function, helping your body fight off infections, viruses, and bacteria. Additionally, the vitamin C in sweet potatoes strengthens your immune response and aids in collagen production, while antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can keep your immunity sharp and your body ready to defend itself naturally. Number 2. Supports heart health. Heart health is another major benefit of sweet potatoes. These vegetables are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and counteracts the effects of sodium. Their high fiber content can also help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. On top of that, antioxidants like beta-carotene, anthocyanins, especially in purple varieties, and vitamin C protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. Eating sweet potatoes regularly supports a healthy heart and smooth circulation. Number 3. Promotes digestive health. Fiber is one of sweet potatoes' most valuable contributions to digestive wellness. Both soluble and insoluble fibers are present, which help maintain regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote gut health. The fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and improving nutrient absorption. Adding sweet potatoes to your meals can keep your digestive system healthy, balanced, and efficient. Number 4. Helps manage weight. Sweet potatoes are a great addition to a weight-conscious diet. Despite their natural sweetness, they have a moderate calorie count and are high in fiber, helping you feel full for longer periods. The slow-digesting complex carbohydrates provide steady energy without spiking blood sugar levels, which reduces cravings for sugary snacks. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your meals can support weight management while keeping your taste buds satisfied. Number 5. Enhances skin health. Your skin benefits tremendously from the nutrients in sweet potatoes. Vitamin A, derived from beta-carotene, promotes skin cell regeneration, helping reduce signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, which improves elasticity and firmness. The antioxidants in sweet potatoes also protect skin from environmental damage, such as UV rays and pollution. Regularly enjoying sweet potatoes can leave your skin glowing, smooth, and healthy. Number 6. Improves vision. Sweet potatoes are one of the best natural sources of vitamin A, which is critical for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A supports the retina, prevents night blindness, and contributes to overall eye health. In addition, the antioxidants in sweet potatoes, including beta-carotene and lutein, protect the eyes from age-related degeneration and oxidative stress. Eating sweet potatoes regularly helps safeguard your sight and maintain clear, sharp vision over time. Number 7. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Sweet potatoes contain anti-inflammatory compounds, including anthocyanins, especially in purple varieties, and beta-carotene, which help reduce inflammation in the body. These nutrients also protect cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic disease. Consuming sweet potatoes can help calm inflammation and support long-term wellness. Number 8. Strengthens bones. Maintaining strong bones requires essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin C, all of which sweet potatoes provide in varying amounts. Vitamin C helps with collagen production, which strengthens the bone matrix, while magnesium supports bone density. While sweet potatoes aren't a sole source of calcium, their combination of nutrients contributes to skeletal health and can complement a diet rich in other calcium-containing foods. Number 9. Boosts energy naturally. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of natural, slow-releasing carbohydrates that provide steady energy throughout the day. Unlike refined carbs that cause spikes and crashes, the complex starches in sweet potatoes fuel your body gradually. They also contain potassium, which helps with muscle function and prevents cramps, making them a perfect pre- or post-workout snack. Enjoying sweet potatoes can keep you energized, alert, and ready to tackle your day. Number 10. Supports mental health. Finally, sweet potatoes can enhance mental well-being. Their high antioxidant content reduces oxidative stress in the brain, which can affect mood and cognitive function. Vitamin B6 and other nutrients in sweet potatoes support neurotransmitter production, including serotonin, which regulates mood. Regularly consuming sweet potatoes can help improve focus, alleviate stress, and support emotional resilience, contributing to overall mental wellness. Sweet potatoes are much more than a simple comfort food. They are a versatile, nutrient-packed superfood with benefits that touch nearly every aspect of health. From boosting immunity and supporting heart and digestive health to improving skin, vision, energy levels, and mental well-being, sweet potatoes deliver a powerhouse of nutrition in every bite. Their natural sweetness, vibrant color, and adaptability in cooking make them easy to include in your diet, whether baked, roasted, mashed, or incorporated into soups and stews. By enjoying sweet potatoes regularly, you're not just indulging your taste buds, you're nourishing your body, strengthening your health, and boosting your energy. So the next time you're at the market, don't overlook sweet potatoes. They're a simple, delicious, and effective way to support your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.